Hi everyone, this is a virtual tour for you, downtown Narita. This is where Kawatoyo Narita is located, which is famous for their grilled eel. It does get very busy. You will have to take a number, and when your number is called, that's when you start lining up at the entrance. They do shout the number in Japanese, but don't worry, there's a screen that shows when the number has been called. Then the employees will direct you to the area you'll be sitting. Lucky to sit upstairs, which is a more traditional Japanese setting. You will have to take off your shoes before going up the stairs. If you do not know Japanese, few employees do speak English. There is an English menu. When you're ready to order, all you have to do is enter your order on the kiosk on your table, and then the items will be brought to you. The grilled eel was very delicious and did not disappoint. Highly recommend to visit. The rest of the tour, we'll be walking outside the restaurant, showing what else is nearby. We do walk by a Buddhist temple, which is open to the public. Please do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Hope you enjoy the rest of the tour.